Hello, all of you. So, in this video, we are gonna see how to register or how to become a IAI member through the non-ACET route. So, it's very simple. You can just type IAI and just open the first link which comes up. Here, if you just scroll, you will see a lot of tabs over here. So, in the members section itself, you in the become actuary section itself, you can see that there is one ACET and then there is non-ACET direct entry. So you can just click on this non-ACET direct entry. Here, it will give you a list of criterias. If you fulfill any of these, so I'll just quickly go through some of them. If you are MBA in finance, or you are an IIM graduate, IIT graduate, BSc, MSc in actuarial science, if you have cleared 2 or more papers from any of these other actuarial institutes, and many other such qualifications which you can read from here. If you satisfy any of these criteria, then you are eligible to become an IAI member. So for that, also you can click on this announcement. This is a PDF which explains you the entire process. It gives you the eligibility criteria again, and then how to apply for the membership. Uh, the membership fees that you have to pay is of 4,000 when you take the admission or when you become the IAI member. And you will be needing a few documents. You will be needing your either a PAN card or a passport, Aadhaar card again. Then you will be needing your 10th and 12th mark sheets. Then you will be needing any of these following documents if it's applicable to you, and final examination certificate of other qualifications. So if suppose you are a CA, if you're entering through that route, then you should have your CA certificate. If you have cleared 2 papers from SOA or IFO or any other institute, and if you want to become IAI member, you need to have your past certificates of those 2 papers from the subsequent bodies. These are the documents that you will be needing, and also one passport size photograph of yours is also needed, right? So you just click here for registration. This is the link. Just click on this link. um, I will not show you the entire step because for that I'll have to fill in the details, but I'll I'll guide you how to do that. Now, in the nationality, if you stay in India and if your nationality is Indian, then you can just click on India. Now, then you have what criteria you need to, what is the admission criteria, what is the non-ACET admission criteria that you are having. So if you are a CA, you can click on CA. If you have cleared 2 papers from IFOA, you can click on this particular part. It will ask you passport number, although it's not mandatory. If you have your passport, then you can put it over here. Then basic details of guardian's name, your own name, then your passport size photograph is needed. Also make sure the passport size photograph has certain specifications. So you can click on here and it will give you certain do's and don'ts. So the background should be plain white. You should have a dark dress. Your ears should be visible. It should be in a proper box. And there are some other criteria which you need to fulfill. Basic ones. So once you go to any passport size photograph studio, they will give you a good photograph. Um, Once it's done, you have to fill in other details, PAN card, Aadhaar card, your address. And once you click on submit, it will take you to another page wherein it will ask you to fill in your 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet. And again, it will ask you for the documents. Basically, you need to put in 2 certificates, past certificates of papers that you have cleared from IFOA. Once these things are done, then it will take you to the payment page. You can also edit these details as you move ahead. It gets on saved. If you want to edit, you can edit it, go back and edit. But please sit down with all the documents together so that once you start filling, you don't have to again and again, search for the other documents which you need. I've already given you the list of documents that you will be needing. Now, once it is done, it will take you to the payment page. The payment page is 4,000 that you have to pay. You can do it through UPI, you can do it through your card, credit card, debit card, whatever mode you prefer. Once it is done, then it will send you a email ID, email, a confirmation email on your registered email, whatever email you have put over here. And once you receive an email, they will verify your documents, and within 7 to 10 days, they will tell you that whether you are eligible to become a member. Uh, it's basically they will verify all the documents, and they will give you your membership ID and password and everything. So you're good to go. So that is how you can take IAI membership through non-ACET route. These are the different eligibility criterias. I'll just again quickly go through these. So you can be a chartered accountant or CS, MBA in finance, IIM, IIT graduate, be from any institute. You can have BSc, MSc, Actuarial Science from any institute, fellow member of IAI, two papers cleared from any other actuarial bodies. First year MSc, BSc Actuarial Science student from Amity University in India. Then again, graduate, postgraduate diploma in actuarial science, in actuarial statistics, BCom in actuarial management, BSc, Bachelor's of Statistics from ISI, again, Bachelor's of Mathematics, Masters of Statistics, and Masters of Mathematics from ISI. So any of these will also give you, you become eligible to take the IIM membership without giving the ACET examination. Masters of Science in Quantitative Economics from ISI again, and Masters of Science from ISI in Quantitative Management Sciences. So these are the few eligibility criteria. If you satisfy them, then you can apply for the non-ACET route. If you have any further questions, if you face any difficulties while taking the membership, you can put down in the comment section and we'll be there to help you with the same. Thank you so much.